What's up, gang? I hope you're doing well today, guys. Okay, guys, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys for your support. Okay, guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how we can earn by liking and disliking posts, guys, and also you can earn by uploading pictures and videos on this site, guys. Okay, as you can see, guys, like, as you can see, we earn 0.0275, guys. Like again, 0, as you can see, guys, like, as you can see, guys, when we like we earn more, but when we dislike the post we earn less, guys. Okay, let's do more likes, guys. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do the last one, guys. Okay, guys, you can see my balance here, guys, is 22,3149, guys. Okay, come here, guys. As you can see here, guys, we earn by voting, guys, and you can earn by uploading, guys, uploading pictures and videos. As you can see, guys, I already uploaded 2 videos and they are pending for approval, guys, and my 2 pictures they've been approved, guys. As you can see, for this picture, guys, I earned 0.4428, and the last picture I earned 0.2296. Each and every day, guys, you upload 2 pictures and 2 videos. That's the limit, guys. Okay, let me show you. Upload, as you can see, guys, you just do like this, guys. Okay, let's just pick any picture, guys. Okay, you have to accept the terms and conditions, guys. Okay, agree, submit. Okay, wow, guys, let me upload another picture, guys. Which picture I'm going to upload? Let me see. Okay, let's upload this one. Yep, upload. Okay, guys, as you can see, guys, my 2 pictures are pending for approval, guys. Okay, let's go back here, and guys, you can refer your friends. Okay, refer a friend. As you can see, guys, invite your friends to Adfreeway, guys. You will get a maximum of 10 rand rewards for helping them to get started, guys, on this site, guys. Plus, once your friends vote and sign up to Adfree, they will receive a bonus too, guys. As you can see, here's my referral link, guys. Please, guys, use my referral link, guys, so that you can get the bonus too, guys. Okay, let me copy. Okay, now it's copied, guys. Remember, guys, if you, okay, as you can see, guys, your account will be rejected if either you or your friend you referring has any of the following: association with the fraudulent IP address. That includes, guys, uses of VPN, fraudulent email address, multiple accounts. As you can see, guys, your account will be banned, guys. You'll be banned. Okay, now let's go to redeem, guys. Here, redeem. As you can see, guys, you can redeem for 5 rand airtime, PayPal. But for on this video, we're going to redeem this 20 rand, guys, airtime. As you can see, call 20 rand airtime. Okay, let's do that. Collect. Okay, to call to reward, you have to confirm your mobile network. Okay, let's enter. Okay, let me enter my number, guys. 631668672. Okay, now I've entered my number, guys. Now I have to select the network, guys, which is MTN. Okay, redeem now. As you can see, congratulations, guys. Okay, now my road is pending, guys. Product redeem time. Okay, guys, as you can see, it's simple, guys. As you can see, my points here, guys, is 2.3. Okay, thank you, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Peace.